Hello, this is Compound Interest Stock Guy, and today we're going to be talking about wheat and precious metals, gold prices, and the SPY. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell down below, give me thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the market. Let me know what you think. I also want to disclose I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment information purposes. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about in this video. By yourself. You did your research, you due diligence, and you like the investment you're pursuing. Okay, so this is wheat and precious metal. So their fundamentals, they have revenue of $1.02 billion and an EPS of 94 cents and a dividend of 1.59%. And their PE is 24.33 and their market cap is 10.28. So that's pretty good for a mining company. Uh, they don't have the same type of risk that a mining company has. They are just working with a bunch of companies because they're a streaming company. So they work with a bunch and then they get precious metals in return for loaning them money. So the company seems to be kind of going up right now, but in the last 30 minutes, it's gone down. So it's hard to say. Maybe it starts going down, but I mean, they collect platinum and palladium and gold and silver. I'm not sure how much platinum they do, but I'm sure they pick up a lot. I know for certain that they deal with palladium, which has had a crazy run. So let's look at the gold prices. So 1350, I said a while back, if anybody's been following me a lot, I mean, some people have been following me, but not every video. I had one video that will talk about how when I'm gonna let people know when silver or gold starts to reach a certain resistance level, and I'm not gonna just do talk about gold or silver just based on anything. As soon as it hits those levels, I'm gonna let them people know that it could be a good time to get into the markets. Again, this could be a fake out. It could be a fake out straight up. So this is a big wick. I mean, 1350 is just crazy. The amount of times it's hit that and it's not gone through. So, uh, oh my God, it's hitting 1349. So maybe it's just not going to hit that, go through. But later in the day, it could pull through. If you're a gold or a silver bug, watch these levels as well as the 1390 level and 1400. Because as soon as it breaks through there, then it could be extremely bullish. And the reason why gold is getting a lot of hype right now is because their quantitative easing, the rate cuts, those things make easy money. So it makes the US dollar weaker and then the gold prices can go up. So it's something to think about. The chart looks extremely bullish in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, just messing around with that 1350 number. If it gets above 1360, it could be explosive. See, gold and a lot of the other commodities kind of work in tandem. Silver. So if silver's up above 15, the last time I checked about 15 minutes ago. So if it starts going up above there, it can go on a crazy run. So both these things you need to keep into context if you're looking at the broader market for commodities. So yeah, I mean, people think it's pretty bullish. 65% people are bullish on gold and 35% are bearish. And it's even more bullish with platinum. But again, you got to do your own research and your due diligence. So listen, this is the 50-day moving average right here, this blue line. And the orange red line is the 200. So this is the SPY. the S&P 500, and right here it was around May 9th. It was a gold. I mean, it was a death cross around that level, like the 10th, and then it started going below here, and then it just tested those levels, and it's gone down, and it even went below the 200-day moving average. So that's extremely bearish, but they put a lot of money, liquidity into the market to keep it going up, and now it's going back up. So I mean, this is the uh, record high right here, right? So the record, they need to get above the record as well as get to the 300-day, but it looks as though it might just be because this is the Bollinger Band, and it usually wants to stay within that range. So I mean, it could have a big U-turn, and it could go up to here in the next like 3 weeks or so. But looking at the Bollinger Band, it probably wants to trade around 280 to 295 for the next month or so, and then maybe it could blast off just depending on how things are going. There's a lot of stuff going on with the Fed rates and all that stuff, but why I'm talking about this is because all the stocks matter now. The cannabis stocks used to kind of go on their own kind of behavior, but now you got to really think about the SPY when you're investing, because when the SPY goes down, the cannabis stocks go down. So yeah, this is right on the 50-day moving average, and so if it keeps going up above here, that's a very good bullish sign until it hits this Bollinger Band at the top of the Bollinger Band. That's going to want to come down. I mean, sometimes it'll go up above that, but 90% of the time it's going to stay within the Bollinger Band. So, and then because it's up above the 200-day moving average, that's a bullish sign as well. But it's going to be trading around that 295 to the 275 levels. And yeah, I mean, it looks as though it's going to get a lot wider. When things start to break out is when the Bollinger Bands start to widen a lot. It could be get to like the Bollinger Band will go up down to like 265 and then up all the way to like 310, and then it starts like widening as well. The higher it starts going up. So something to think about. I just wanted to do an update and talk about these commodities and let my viewers and subscribers understand the market in silver and gold, and as well as the SPY. So I hope you like this update. Give me a thumbs up. Until next time, peace.